Hey, hi, I'm Vivek, official adjudicator of Asia and India Book of Records. It's a privilege for me to adjudicate this event on International Yoga Day at Velammal Bodhi Campus, Ponneri. So, almost close to 16,000 plus students across the state from 29 institutions from the same group have participated today, and they've created a new Asia record and also a national record, which is successfully entered into Asia and India Book of Records. It's a privilege for me to be as a adjudicator. Very happy to see that every student who have participated today sincerely did their yoga for 30 minutes, and this is an awesome, and we are so happy to acknowledge this as a new record. Congratulations, Velammal Groups. Thank you.